At Comic Kids, we believe every child deserves the chance to create, imagine, and express themselves through art. But for many children in hospitals, foster care, and underserved communities, access to art education is limited or non-existent. And that's where we come in. Comic Kids brings the joy of drawing to children in need at no cost to them. We teach kids how to draw comics, cartoons, and book characters, helping them build creativity, confidence, and a love of storytelling. Through in-person and virtual classes, donated art supplies, and weekly curriculum, we provide resources to organizations like the YMCA, Big Brothers Big Sisters, the Girl Scouts, the Ryan Seacrest Foundation, and Nicholas Children's Hospital, ensuring thousands of children can experience the magic of art. Art isn't just about drawing. It's about expression, healing, and hope. And with your support, we can reach even more children who need it most. Visit comickids.org to donate today. Your gift provides art supplies, books, and classes to children in need. Together, we can inspire the next generation, one drawing at a time.
Teaching kids art through comics, cartoons, and books. Comic Kids!